Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am putting the carbs back in my diet today. If you are new here, or you're just checking in, maybe you're just catching this video randomly, I am carb cycling. This is my first time trying it out. I am at day 3, so pretty much I filmed my first full day of low carb meals. That's up. I'll link it below if you've not yet seen that. And then I pretty much repeated the same meal plan yesterday, which is my day 2. I do 2 low carb days and then I'm having a high carb day today. And carb cycling, basically when you take the carbs out of your diet, your body is used to burning off carbs. That's what it likes to burn off the most. So when you take that out, it starts to burn off fat. So if you're looking to kind of like jumpstart your weight loss, or maybe you hit a plateau, that's what kind of happened to me. I've been on a weight loss journey for a few years, so I needed something that's gonna like really amp it up. I really want to like lean out and tone this year, so I am trying carb cycling. Like I said, today's day 3. We're doing a high carb meal, and you want to make sure you're using complex carbs. Carb cycling is not like, oh, take out all the carbs and then on day 3 eat a pizza. It's, you know, putting back in those complex carbs. If you guys don't know, complex carbs are your oatmeal, which is going to be my first meal of the day, your whole grain, stuff like that, brown rice, and then these simple carbs, which you want to stay away from in general when you're trying to lose weight and fat, is like, you know, white bread, pasta. You can have whole grain pasta, but not like pasta, pizza, stuff like that. So donuts. But today I'm gonna take you through my full day of meals for my high carb day. This is, like I said, day 3. If you want to see the low carb meals, definitely check the link below in the bio, but or description bar. But today we're starting it off with some oatmeal. This is my first meal of the day. I just hurried up. I had to get to work super early today, so I just brought this with me, which is super convenient, and I knew I was doing oatmeal, so it made my life a lot easier. I'm here at work, so I'm about to make this. These are steel cut oats, which is what you want to go for, and this is really cool. It comes with like a measuring pouch, so basically I'm gonna dump the contents into my cup right here, and then we are going to measure in the same bag. There's a water line, so I'm gonna put some cold water in here, microwave it, and that will be my first meal of my high carb day. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we're back in the kitchen for the snack time. I'm doing my Faye yogurt today. This is the strawberry 2%. I usually do 0%, but they didn't have it at the store. But Faye is my favorite Greek yogurt. It's so good. If you've not yet tried it, definitely test it out. I'm not like a plain Greek yogurt person, that's why I get the strawberry. You can also add fresh fruit. I do have some strawberries in here, so I'll probably chop those up as well, just to like top it off. And then this does have 13 grams of carbs. That's why I did save it for my higher carb snack. It's not that bad, but I did, for like my lower carb days, just stick to like veggies and hummus. I did carrots and hummus and almonds, which have way less carbs than the yogurt. So today we're gonna give this a whirl, and then I'll check back in for lunch with you guys pretty soon. Alright guys, so I'm checking back in with my lunch for my high carb day. I went with a quinoa and brown rice medley. That's like the little cups that you can buy at the store, put in the microwave, cook for like a minute. I have some grilled chicken, some pinto beans, and some salsa verde dressing. So it's like a Mexican style bowl. A lot of good protein and also carbs, obviously for my high carb day, from the brown rice medley. But this is like one of my favorite meals. My mouth is like watering right now. It's around 2:30 because I did have that yogurt around 11, and then the oatmeal this morning around 9. So this is going to be my lunch. And if I do get hungry, since I have kind of been, I know it's a higher carb day, but carb heavy throughout the morning and afternoon, I will probably just snack on some carrots and hummus or some like almonds. But I don't know if I'm going to be so hungry after like this nice big lunch right now. So I might just catch you back at dinner. I'm probably just going to do like a salad. Probably going to pick up a salad, honestly, because I'm going to have a late night night tonight, and I'll probably do like a Caesar salad since I can't have the carbs today, the extra carbs with the dressing, maybe some croutons on there, but I'll definitely insert a clip. I don't know if I'll record anything by that time. It's probably going to be like super late and super dark, so I'll just insert the clip of dinner here in the video somewhere, and that pretty much wraps up my high carb day. I'll be doing another low carb meal day. I'm going to try to find some different recipes because I'm going to be doing this for a few weeks and I want to change it up. I did find at Trader Joe's this like cauliflower version of fried rice kind of, so I want to try that with some chicken maybe one night. I'll definitely keep you guys posted. If you want to check out the video, like I said, of my day 1 of the low carb food prep, that is below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope that you're doing amazing on your weight loss journey. I've been on mine for a few years, and this is just going to hopefully help me get that tone lean body that I want. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how it's going. But the first 2 days, I know it's only the 3rd day today, but the first 2 days, like I could already see a change, like just of like bloating in the tummy area and how I feel. So I feel like this is going to be really good for me. I'll definitely keep you posted, and I'll catch you guys back in my next video.